In fresh fruit packaging, accuracy, speed, and gentle handling are essential. That's why leading manufacturers turn to OFI weigh and inspection solutions. Every OFI system begins with 3D design and is custom built to your exact requirements. Made in Australia with trusted European components, every solution is engineered for reliability and longevity. With integrated X-ray and checkway technology, you safeguard quality and ensure your products meet strict retail and export standards. Real-time production data gives managers clarity across the line, tracking productivity, spotting inefficiencies, and guiding better decisions. Every operator logs into their own terminal so you can measure performance, streamline processes, and improve output. With precise portion control, you reduce giveaway and increase profitability without compromising on presentation or weight accuracy. Our checkweighers are AQS compliant and exceed the BRC supermarket specification for reject verification. All OFI systems are accredited by the Australian National Measurement Institute, guaranteeing accurate results and compliance you can rely on. By increasing throughput and line efficiency, your team can pack more produce per shift and maintain premium quality at every stage. OFI Weigh and Inspection Solutions, production control of the future.